Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Jordan, and in this short video I'd like to share with you a sell opportunity here in the Dorian. My idea basically starts from the weekly or daily chart, where we can obviously spot a clear range which the price is now respecting, and after the bounce we saw here and the extremely bearish momentum, which could be confirmed on the 1 hour chart, daily chart of course, and the lower time frames, I believe it would be a good idea to start looking for the sells. Now naturally we have inside the middle of the range a support to resistance zone. In our case that would be a resistance zone right here, which is basically the 50% of the range. Then dropping down to the lower time frames on the 4 hour chart, we're able to see beautiful trend line. We're able to see this delta pattern right here, which of course we can go ahead and confirm inside the FX delta scanner. We do have the 4 hour chart delta setup as well, and hidden divergence is also in place. Okay, no divergences, hidden divergence here, strong resistance level, trend line on the way. 1 hour chart is also confirming this higher time frame divergence right here, and this is clearly and obviously in terms of price action looking as a consolidation here. So basically my idea is very simple. The risk reward ratio for this trade could be absolutely fantastic. Dropping down to the lower time frames, being the 15-minute chart, a new divergence is being formed touching this level specifically, okay? And that means aggressively we can go ahead and attack here the divergences. Conservatively we can go ahead and use the most recent low, which is around 108.73, and once this one is broken, the risk reward would be around, I don't know, 50-60 pips, depending on the new high, where this high will be developed. Of course, if we get this setup triggered and then the bottom of the range is at 400 pips, so you do the math with what kind of risk reward ratio we're dealing here. Of course, when we have such good opportunities, the best would be to go ahead and use much smaller risk, simply because if the trade pays, risking 0.5% of your account could deliver 3, 4, 5, 6% depending on your target, right? No need to go ahead and overexpose yourself. That also means that in case you experience a false break, so let's say the divergence is completed, you get the breakout below, another spike here, another false break, another divergence, and then continuation, you can very easily go ahead and attack second time without going into too much drawdown, without exposing yourself too much. So if you like this kind of videos, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and of course make sure to join us in Telegram. You can find the link below this video, where you can get much more setups on daily basis from me and Vladimir Rybakov. Wishing you a wonderful day.